Chickens are for laying eggs, right? Well, not this one. Meet the dragon chicken from Vietnam, a bird that looks like it skipped the farm and went straight to the gym. Its legs are massive, thick, scaly, and worth thousands of dollars. Yes, people actually breed this chicken for its legs. Forget wings. These birds can't fly. But with legs like that, they don't need to. They just flex. In Vietnam, dragon chickens are a luxury delicacy and even a status symbol. Imagine serving this beast at dinner. Not your average egg layer. This is the dragon chicken. Stay curious, stay wild. Join us. Animal Kingdom's show.